All right, in the last video, we did the deck, we did the door and the windows. Now I want to talk to you about doing windows and doors on the other sides. You can do decks anywhere, but when it comes to windows and doors, how many is up to you, but where you place them it should line up with the previous windows and doors from this side. So let me show you what I'm talking about. If I'm going to draw a door all the way over here, I want to make sure that it is in proportion with this one. And the easiest way to do that is to line your ruler up with the top of this door, and whenever you hit a vertical, you mark that vertical. All right, because what happens is I hit a vertical, I then have to switch vanishing points. Now I'm going to go to the right-hand vanishing point, and I could do a door right here, but I'm hitting a vertical because I want to get all the way over here. So I hit a vertical, I put a dot, and then again I switch. So I go to the left-hand vanishing point from here, and I come forward until I hit this vertical, and I put a dot. Now, I'm on the side that I want to put a door. I go to the right-hand vanishing point because that's what the bottom of this side does, and that tells me that that's where a door would line up that's in proportion with this one. It may look smaller, and it should because it's closer to the vanishing point, relatively speaking. All right, so then I'm going to draw my vertical lines, and easy said, they're and easy done. There's your door. All right, same thing's going to happen with windows. Now, you can see my lines, you can just barely see them. I've kind of sketched those in. They line up again with this door. Do the same thing with the windows. Line it up. Bottom of the windows is right here. Top of the windows right here. And so if I'm going to draw some windows on this side, my second floor, I'm going to make sure that the bottom lines up right there. Oh, and by the way, there we go. I hit a vertical, so I'm going to put the dot right there. These are all temporary lines, but this tells me where the top of it would be. So I can have a window that's in proportion by drawing lines up right there. Now, windows on this, you know, you almost have to eyeball it. You're certainly not going to go above this line because that's a door line. But I can say, hey, I want a window right here, and the bottom of it's going to change. It's going to be a little bit, it's going to be down some, but it's obviously not going to be as big as the door. So I'm going to line it up with the right-hand vanishing point, and maybe I'm going to put a long window in right here that's got like 3 panes in it. All right, and then I'm going to go vanishing point on the left side, so there's a window here, possibly. Yeah, I like that. I'm going to put 3 here. They're all connected. 2 and 3, and there's the end of my window right here. Now, probably makes sense to have them even, but actually this works out. I got these 2 that are almost the same size with the larger one right here. This might be my living room. Looks a little fancier with a window in it that's such as this. All right. I want to try and have a window or a door on each side. So I think I'm going to go ahead and place a window over on this side now. I've already marked off where the windows would be lining up. And so it's going to be like right about here. I might even decide then that I need to have a window on the second floor on the far right side, which means right here. That's going across. Got to use my left-hand vanishing point, put a dot right there, and now I can draw some windows on the right side of my L-shaped projection. And there's a window right there. All right, so now I have windows and doors on pretty much every side of my house. I'm going to stop the video right here.